him a warm welcome back to the band because he was on vacation for a little while. We have Mr. Carlos Duran, ladies and gentlemen, on the drums. Carlos Duran. Said everyone you meet, jam it in the street all night long. I said, thank you. Everyone you meet, jam it in the street all night long. Said all night long. Thank you very much. We appreciate that. And one last time, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say thank you so much to every single one of you for supporting live music. Muchísimas gracias a todos ustedes por estar aquí con nosotros. Make sure to stay in touch because we like to play here often here at Plaza Mariachi, and it's always a pleasure. So you guys have a great evening. Have fun doing your salsa dancing, and we will see you guys very soon. Muchísimas gracias a todos, and you guys have a great evening.